let's break down a live trade on.
And just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, that those are the Falcon mechanics, the most important one, the 4 hour, the rewrite, the app, the entry, and the past webinar, and also the latest one, which is the hybrid trading. And all you have to do is message me here on the Telegram Manos Falcon, and or you can just scan here, like here, right? So all you have to do is just message me there and just pay a small price, a small fee, and then you got all those contents for a small fee. As we can see here, we are on a weekly time frame. We got reacted from this low, as so we are looking for short from there. As we move to the time frame on the daily time frame here, we have a low here, right? So let's just use this because they are almost like alike, right? So let's use the latest one here. As we can see, we got impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, and we can actually see those structure in the daily time frame. So let's move down to the 4 hour time frame so that we can see those things more clearly, right? As you can see here, we got a value point, we got right there from that value point, and the good thing about is that gaps that needs to be filled. That's why we're looking for short, and we also broke below this point, right? So let's move to the H1 time frame. So we broke this point. After that, we got the impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse to the downside. The good thing about that this is still gap. So let's use the Fibonacci tool to check whether this thing makes sense. Up exactly on the 50%, which is exactly what I want. So there it's the point. You can take this trade as a risk entry here, but that's a bit of a riskier move because we have already filled up the 90% run, right? So this thing can easily become a buy from there to the upside, and then go directly from there and then move to the downside, right? So to mitigate that risk, we have to wait for an insurance entry, right? Which makes this trade a lovely one, which must be your way of trading as a Falcon trader. Always think about the best way to take these trades. As we can see on the 15-minute time frame, we got a two-touch continuation structure with a gap in it, right? Those gaps are very important. So took it right there, put my stop loss at around here. Right now it's moving for around 4%. So the TP will be around 6, right? That's it. As simple as that. I got locked in for around 1% up there because I have to, because we has already broke below this point on the H1 time frame, as we can see there. As we can see there, well, it is not the best close, but I have to be a bit more aggressive because in the 50-minute time frame also this candle is not resolved. It has lots of momentum in it. So I close it for around 1%. I lock it, not close. It's still this trade is still live. So that's it for the breakdown. Again, guys, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, just message me here. Manos Falcon here.